Banh Canh Hai San, Vietnamese seafood pin rice noodle soup. This is one of my most favorite soups, thanks to its rich, thick broth bursting with an ocean of, well, flavors from the ocean. If there's a drawback, it's that the customary cooking process has lots of little steps that keep me at the stove, instead of being in the thick of all the lively conversations. Can't have that. So, it's the Crock-Pot brand to the rescue. I was able to adjust the process down to just a few steps thanks to the original slow cooker's dependability. Let's dive right in, starting with a thickening agent. You could skip this step and simply add 4 tablespoons of Annatto seed oil right into the stock, but I like mine a little thicker. Now add 9 cups of warm water to the Crock-Pot Smart Pot, to which I'm adding half cup chicken bouillon powder, quarter cup rock sugar or granulated sugar. Do adjust to your taste. Just give it a good stir. Next, pour in the thickening agent we made and give it a good stir. Then place in half cup of cooked Dungeness crab meat. This is such a fun soup because you can add in almost any of your favorite seafoods. For me, I'm choosing lobster claws and king crab legs. Besides being so classy with their bright red and orange colors, the shells will give the broth an extra sweet sea aroma. Place the lid on. Be sure to leave it unlatched while cooking for safety. And set the cook time for 4 hours. During that time, while the crock-pot slow cook is simmering away and the aromas are driving me absolutely crazy, I'll get ready some cooked pin noodles. Fresh or frozen store-bought noodles are fine, but I like to make my own, and it's really pretty quick to mix up the dough, hand roll them, quickly boil and drop into the cold water to set them. We'll rewarm these before serving. We'll also have ready big cooked shrimp and a few cooked jumbo scallops to add to the bowls. Oh, I wanted to mention, if you make or know a market that sells fried shrimp paste nuggets, these are so excellent in the broth. Beauties, aren't they? I'm going to add these in the bowl with the noodles too. Then layer on the crab legs and lobster claws, ladle in the seafood sweet thick broth, and top with a garnish of chopped green onions and cilantro, served with long donuts. No problem if the dinner is not at my home. I just lock the lid and off we go with our piping hot treat. One more handy convenience of my crock pot cook and carry. Enjoy.